and welcome to the Mass Tort Update. In Health this week, 2 doctors at the Children's Memorial Hospital in Chicago published a letter that links stun guns to ventricular fibrillation. In safety warnings, Genentech Inc. sent a letter to doctors alerting them to research linking its Herceptin breast cancer drug to heart failure and cardiac death. Even though the drug industry develops medicines that benefit many, it is ranked among the least trusted industries in opinion polls of recent consumers. The NIH recently announced rules that ban its scientists from consulting for drug companies. And the Consumer Product Safety Commission and Tagatare are recalling about 494,000 Back Trails Junior, Toddler, Youth, and Child bicycle safety helmets because of the risk of brain injury. General Motors Corp. Is recalling 800,000 trucks and SUVs manufactured between 1999 and 2002 because of corrosion affecting anti-lock brakes. This has apparently led to more than 200 low-speed crashes. According to the AFL-CIO, 11,959 workers are injured or made ill by their jobs every day. In new cases, Ortho McNeil, a subsidiary of Johnson & Johnson, is being sued by a growing number of women across the country, alleging substantial physical injuries caused by their contraceptive patches. The Attorney General of California sued 39 drug companies, accusing them of bilking the state of hundreds of millions of dollars by overcharging for medicines. About 1,000 plaintiffs are seeking damages from Purdue Pharma, the maker of OxyContin, claiming they were victims of accidental addiction. And in verdicts, an oyster fisherman who claimed chemicals from DuPont causes rare blood cancer multiple myeloma was awarded $14 million in actual damages in the first of 1,900 lawsuits involving that plant. In legal decisions, a New York judge certified an antitrust class action against Microsoft for allegedly harming consumers through anti-competitive conduct. And a U.S. district judge in Austin returned the state's lawsuit against Merck to district court in Austin instead of federal court in New Orleans. A New Jersey Superior Court judge, Carol Higbee, presiding over 2,500 Vioxx cases, rejected Merck's request to postpone the first trial in New Jersey, which will now begin September 12th. In settlements, Apple settles lawsuits over defective iPod batteries. Customers will receive a $25 cash or a $50 store credit. And in legislation affecting consumer rights, a proposed $140 billion compensation fund for asbestos victims may run short of money before it can pay all the claimants, according to a new report from the U.S. Congressional Budget Office, which doesn't make it look very good for that legislation. Should you have any questions or need any assistance, you can contact us by clicking on the box on this interface. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.